Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Firebase console, manage apps and databases step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in firebase.google.com and press enter. Once the Firebase page loads, look for the Go to Console button located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the Go to Console button. You will be directed to the Firebase console login page. If you already have a Google account, proceed by clicking on the Sign In button. Enter your email address associated with your Google account. Click Next to continue. Now, enter your password in the designated field. Click Next again to sign in. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, follow the prompts to verify your identity. Once logged in, you will see the Firebase console dashboard. Here, you can manage your apps and databases. To access an existing project, click on its name from the list displayed. If you need to create a new project, click on the Add Project button. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your new Firebase project. After creating or selecting a project, you can explore various features like Firestore, real-time database, and storage. You are now ready to manage your apps and databases using the Firebase console. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step